Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. This is Molin. So in today's recipe, we are going to see how to make two mixed vegetables, that is broad beans and French beans. So let's start with the recipe. I've washed them thoroughly and I've chopped them into such fine pieces. You can make it very fine as per your choice. So let's start with the recipe now. So to make this mixed vegetable, I've taken here two onions, that is medium size. Let's cut them. You can just roughly chop them or you can just cut them very fine. I'll cut it medium. So to make this vegetable, I have used two medium size of onions, one green chili I will be using into my further recipe as I will show you in the video, and half a teaspoon of cumin seed, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and 10 to 12 peppercorns. So we are going to crush them, and just with the salt we are going to make this vegetable. I'm not adding in any ginger, garlic or tomato. So if you wish to use it, you can use it. If you like tomatoes, ginger, garlic in your vegetable, you can add on. So let's start with the recipe. So here I'm going to show you a very easy and simple vegetable with lesser ingredients, which would be very tasty and healthy as well without adding any masalas to it. So here the non-stick pan is hot. To this we are going to add in oil. So I will be adding 2 tablespoons of oil to this vegetable. Once the oil is hot, we'll add in mustard seeds to it. So here the oil is nice and hot. We'll be adding 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. So let's add in mustard seeds and cover it with the lid a bit so that the mustard seed will not spill out. So we'll wait till it nicely crackles. Keep the flame on medium. As we can hear, mustard seeds are getting crackled. We'll wait for a while. Now to this, we'll be adding half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Here I've taken half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let's add in. Let the cumin seeds crackle too. Once both cumin and mustards are well crackled, to that we are going to add in the onions which we had chopped. That is 2 medium size of onion. So let's add in. We fry this onion till it is nice and translucent. As you can see here, onions are getting well fried. So we'll fry it till it is slightly translucent. Here we can see onions are nice and translucent. So let's add in the vegetables to this. So we'll add in the vegetables which we had nicely washed and chopped well. That is broad beans and French beans. Let us give a good stir. Whenever you make vegetables, you make it without masalas and you'll get the natural taste of the vegetables, which is very healthy way of cooking. You can add in coconut oil to make this vegetable of your choice. But today I have not used coconut oil, I've added cooking oil to this. Let's keep stirring. We'll just keep stirring and let it fry a bit well. After that, we'll be adding water to this. As you can see here, the vegetables are looking nice and green because we have not added any masalas. Keep stirring it. I have not added in salt yet, so we'll add salt once these vegetables are 80% cooked. Let's cover this and keep it on low flame. Let's add in some water to this so that it doesn't get burned. Let's give it a good mix. I have added in 1/4 cup of water to this. So let's cover this and let it cook for another 7 to 8 minutes. And after that, we'll just check it later. Let this cook with the closed lid. Let's cover this and let it cook for another 7 to 8 minutes. As the vegetable is getting cooked, meanwhile, we'll just crush the peppercorns. As you can see, we have crushed the peppercorns. We'll just shake the vegetable now. Let us open this. We don't have to make it over soft. That is the reason we have not added the salt to this yet. So let's add in the crushed peppercorns to this vegetable as it is almost cooked now. It is nearly 60% done. So let's add in I've added in crushed peppercorns. We'll just give it a good stir. Whenever you make any vegetables, make sure you're not making it too soft and always keep the flame low and let it get steamed and cooked well. And the vegetable should always be tender cooked, not too soft, as it doesn't taste good then. So I've just mixed the crushed peppercorns, and as you can see, the water is also soaked. If you think your vegetables are not almost done, you can just add in some water to this and let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. So to this I'm going to add in salt, as the vegetables are almost done. So you can add in the salt as per your taste. I've added in half teaspoon of salt to this. Let's give it a good stir. If you don't want to add in peppercorns, so you can skip that and you can add in green chilies. And if you want to make it masala vegetable, so you can add in any masalas you like, and if not, you can add in red chili powder or green chili. I'm making it simple here, so I have not added in any masalas. This tastes really awesome. You'll just love this vegetable once you try this recipe, and let me know. So let's cover this and let it cook for some more time, 5 to 7 minutes. So let's check this vegetable. Our vegetable is well done here. It is nice and tender cooked. It is not soft. So you don't have to make it over soft, as I told you before in this recipe. So we are done with this broad beans and cluster the French beans vegetable. You can try this recipe, and for a final touch you can just add in scraped coconuts, fresh coconut to this if you like, or you can just have it simple as you can see here. So we are done with this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next. See you. Take care.